biggest challenge was getting learners to interact with our resources, because we chose to do interactive resources, and because things were in different places and they had to go to one place and then we were uploading to other, and training providers were looking somewhere else, the challenge was getting that interaction. So my assessors, when they go to assessment, they have like a pre-check, and on that pre-check they ask them if they've interacted with the resources, and quite a lot of the time they will come back and saying no, I'm not prepared, or X, Y, and Z. By using Cloud Assess, what we were able to do was we were able to create a bit that was, as you call, third parties, which is the training providers. They could have them in their bit. Then the learners could have it in their bit as an activity. And we couldn't before track who was interacting with them and who wasn't. Whereas now we can track who's interacting with them and who isn't. So therefore we can see straight away before we even got to the point of assessment. Saves so much time because we know where to direct it to. So some of our standards require things like simulation, where we can simulate that process. So if we know that in advance, they can either use work-related equipment and examples, or they can use simulation. So if we know that information in advance, it speeds up that particular process. So that means that our assessment time was reduced, the admin burden was reduced, and everything around it sort of started to click into place a lot better than it did before. So it's been, I feel that it's made us more efficient in what we're doing, because we've got them processes and we're building on them all the time as well. So the beauty of this is it's not a linear process where you can't add something in, or you can't change something, or you've got your one version and that's it. You can literally create a new version of it. And then you create a new version of it and you can make it into what you want, or you can create a new version and bespoke it, or you can add particular branding in if you want to add the branding in, and so forth. And it was all the things that contributed to that better experience that our customers were getting from us in that respect.